Good morning, students. Today I am going to show you the practical work in SQL. How to use SQL command and how to make a table in SQL. So first of all, we will create a database. Let's create a database using the command create database. Let's the database name be SMJN. Okay. So as you can see, query okay, one row affected. That is our database has been created. Let's check whether database is created or not. So using the command show databases. Okay. So as you can see, here is our database SMJN. Now we will use this database and we will create a new table in this database. How to use the database? Using the command use the SMJN, that is the database name. So our database has been changed. So now we are in database SMJN. Okay. So let's make a table using the command create table. Let's the table name be BSC. Okay. But we have to insert some columns in it. So let's the column name be name, data type varchar, and maximum size limit is 20. Next, roll number, data type integer, and let's its limit should be 5. Okay. So as you can see, query okay. Let's see whether our table is created or not. So using the command DESC BSC describe, उसके बाद table का name. Okay, so as you can see here we have made two columns, name and roll number. Their data type varchar and integer. Okay, now we will enter some values in it using the command insert into BSC values. ठीक है, हमने एक रो बना दी जिसमें दो वैल्यूज डाली हमने राम एंड 5. नेक्स्ट वी विल insert another row. Next, okay, second value is inserted. Let's one other value. Let's make ओके तो हमने 3 वैल्यूज या 3 रोज इनपुट करा दी. अब हम चेक करेंगे कि हमारी रोज इनपुट हुई हैं या नहीं हुई हैं. कैसे करते हैं? यूजिंग द कमांड सेलेक्ट एस्ट्रिक फ्रॉम BSC. ठीक है, तो जो जो कमांड हमने इनपुट कराई थी वैल्यूज राम रोल नंबर 5, लाखन रोल नंबर 45 एंड जॉन रोल नंबर 20. ठीक है. Okay, now I will show you how to use update command. So let's update the table. Update BSC set roll number equals to 10, where roll number equals to 5. ठीक है, तो query okay. तो let's check whether the table is updated or not using the command select asterisk from BSC. So as you can see, the roll number of Ram has been changed. Let's make use of alter command. So we will add a column in this table using the command alter. Alter table BSC. Add. Let's the column name be code. Character type and the limit is 10. Okay, query okay. Let's see whether the table has been updated or not. As you can see here, the column name code has been inserted. Initially, all values are null because we have already entered some values in it, so we can update this column also. Let's update this column by using update command. Update BSC set code equals to CS. Sorry, single inverted commas. Where roll number equals to 10. Okay, let's see. As you can see here, the code of RAM is now CS. ठीक है, तो जैसे हमने ये कॉलम ऐड किया है इसी तरीके से हम इस कॉलम को हटा भी सकते हैं. कैसे हटाएंगे? यूजिंग द कमांड alter table BSC drop code. ठीक है, तो यूजिंग द कमांड drop we can delete any column. तो query okay. Let's see whether the column is deleted or not. Here, as you can see, the column name code has been deleted. Now, we can change the name of our table. Let's rename. For this, we will use the command rename. Rename table BSC to graduation. Quick query, okay. Now we will select asterisk from BSC. It shows error because there is no table in SMJN database. BSC नाम की टेबल नहीं है हमारे डेटाबेस में क्योंकि हमने उसका नाम चेंज कर दिया ग्रेजुएशन. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज सोर्स. सेलेक्ट एस्टेरिक फ्रॉम ग्रेजुएशन. ओके, क्योंकि हमारी टेबल कौन सी हो चुकी है अब? क्या नाम कर दिया हमने उसका? ग्रेजुएशन. बीएससी नाम की टेबल एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती बट ग्रेजुएशन टेबल एग्जिस्ट करती है. तो ग्रेजुएशन टेबल में दो कॉलम है, नेम एंड रोल नंबर. Now similarly we can drop table also using the command drop graduation. Let's check whether the spelling mistake. Drop graduation spelling is GRAT. Okay, query okay, because we have not write table, so it gives us error. Now drop table graduation, query okay. Let's see whether the table has been deleted or not. Select asterisk from graduation. Here is an error because there is no table exists in database SMJ. Thank you.